To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then tap on the settings gear icon beside the search icon. Swipe up to scroll down and locate the Audience and Visibility section. Then go to Followers and Public Content. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Blocklist Filter. In this section, you can add words, phrases, or emojis that you want Facebook to automatically hide from your profile. Simply enter them here, separated by commas. You can add up to 1,000 keywords. Once you are done, tap Save. Facebook will then automatically filter out those unwanted comments. If anyone comments using those blocked words, the comment will still be visible to them, but hidden from everyone else, including you and the public. To unhide a comment hidden by the Blocklist filter, long press the comment and select Unhide Comment from the pop-up menu. To hide the comment again, long press the comment and select Hide Comment from the pop-up menu. Hiding comments with the Blocklist filter helps keep your feed clean and free from unwanted or disruptive content. So that's how you can automatically hide offensive comments on Facebook using the Blocklist filter.